Good afternoon, class. My name is Gianni Macchio, and today I will be discussing recaptive listening for patients with PTSD and ASD. Recaptive music therapy entails listening to recorded or live music that is selected by the therapist that is working with the patient. This type of method is known to help with a wide range of symptoms such as improved mood, decreased pain, enhanced relaxation, decreased stress, and decreased anxiety. Post-traumatic stress, or PTSD, is viewed as the inability to recover from a reaction of stress by 1 month following exposure to a traumatic event, and is a condition that is characterized by enduring symptoms of distressing memory intrusions and may derive benefits from the use of music therapy. Some benefits of the recaptive method that is involved with PTSD is that listening to music has shown to have positive effects on symptoms associated with PTSD patients in the past. Studies have shown that music activates changes in the metabolic dopaminergic system, an area of the brain that mandates the experience of pleasure, reward, and arousal. Also, when listening to music, an increase in the release of endorphins to the brain has been shown, boosting feelings while reducing fear, self-awareness, and sadness, helping to improve one's overall mental state of health. So, when feelings associated with PTSD, such as anger, guilt, shame, fear, and anxiety, may be addressed by listening to music, can activate reward pathways in the brain and lower the release of stress hormones. Autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a developmental disability that can cause significant social, communicational, and behavioral challenges. This is often nothing to do with how a person with ASD looks that sets them apart from other people, but people with ASD may communicate, interact, behave, and learn in many different ways that most other people do. People with ASD often have problems with social, emotional, and communicational skills. They might have repeat repeat certain behaviors and may not want to change in their daily activities. Benefits of recaptive listening for people with ASD is that both in lyrics and in sound can greatly assist in teaching us how to communicate. For children with autism, this could mean learning a new word from a song or better understanding how to act in social situations based on messages that a song is expressing. Overall, this method helps people with ASD improving language comprehension, encouraging the desire to communicate, making creative self-expressions possible, and reducing non-communicative speech. In conclusion, the use of music therapy is only growing around the world today. The more research and studies that are conducted, the more knowledge about the direct impacts of how music therapy helps different populations. Individuals who experience symptoms of PTSD can gain from further research into music therapy as a treatment option to improve functions and resilience. Listening to music has benefited children with autism spectrum disorder in many ways, and gaining more information on these topics can serve as just another alternate path in helping these populations grow and succeed. Thank you for listening.